Hello viewers, welcome to Tummy and Cheeks with me Bonita. So today we'll be recreating the famous Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding with a twist of Tummy and Cheeks, and this is how it turned. It's really tasty dessert. So let's get into the recipe. For that I've taken 1 tin of condensed milk, equal quantity of ice cold water, 4 packets of thick cream, 250 ml each. This is 1 box of Jell-o brand vanilla pudding and 1 bottle of Nutella, 3 ripe bananas and 2 packets of biscuits. So these are the ingredients that we need to prepare this banana pudding. So for the first step, we have taken a large bowl. I'm adding in 1 tin of condensed milk. And I've taken equal quantity of ice cold water. Add in the ice cold water to your condensed milk. And we're going to blend this mixture for 1 or 2 minutes until it's well combined. So once the mixture is blended well, then we'll be adding a sachet of the vanilla pudding mix into it. Now goes in the vanilla pudding powder. This is more like a custard powder, but make sure you choose Jell-o brand. Gently mix it and make sure there are no lumps in your pudding. Whisk it for 1 or 2 minutes until there are no lumps. We'll be refrigerating this mixture for 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. Once you're sure there are no lumps, then you can place this mixture in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please take a moment and do subscribe to our channel. So this is after 2 hours. This is how it looks. The next step, we'll be adding in the thick cream. I've taken a large bowl and I'm adding 4 packets of thick cream. This is 250 ml each. I'm preparing this pudding for 12 to 15 people. So once we add in the cream, whisk it for 1 minute. And then we'll start adding the vanilla pudding in small quantities so that it's easy to blend. Now start to gently mix and combine the mixture well. Whisk it for 2 to 3 minutes on high speed. You will get a creamy texture. You can make sure that it is a thick, creamy consistency. Gently mix it well. So then we'll start to set the banana pudding. For that I've taken a setting bowl and then I'm adding in the pudding. This is the first layer. You can add a generous amount. And then I'm starting to place the biscuits. Make sure you choose your biscuits that are salt free, and these are milk shortcakes which are available here. You can choose any biscuits which are of the same size and a good density, and also make sure your bananas are ripe. So there goes in a layer of bananas, and then you repeat the step. If you want, you can add in a layer of Nutella, but I'll be adding in only for the second and the third layers. Nutella adds a lot of taste. The kids will enjoy a lot. It also adds a lot of sweetness to your pudding. So we have not added any sugar to this dish. So adding Nutella gives a lot of taste to your pudding. Repeat the steps. I got 3 to 4 layers. You can reduce the layers. I've also crushed in some biscuits to add in a lot of flavor to the pudding. It's up to you. I can't count the number of times that I've visited Magnolia's bakery to try their banana pudding. I like them a lot. So I always wanted to recreate this at home so that we can have it in bulk. The pudding is finally set. We're going to be refrigerating this pudding in the fridge for 8 to 10 hours. I've added an extra dop of Nutella. And here you go with the world's famous Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding. So this is how it looks after 8 hours. And thank you for watching Tummy and Cheeks. If you did like the recipe, then please give a like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care. Bye.